Hello friends, my name is Mayur Uzgare and topic for today's session is table and list in HTML. In HTML, tables and lists are used to represent and organize the data in systematical manner. So let's learn them practically. I'm already ready with basic HTML format and I also kept my browser ready to see output. So let's discuss first lists. In HTML, there are two types of list. First is ordered list and second is unordered list. So let's check out the syntax for ordered list. Ordered lists are created by using OL, that is ordered list tag, and inside that we add list item, that is li. We can add up as many as items we want. So let's add some more items. I'm adding here colors: red, green, blue. Let's check output for this. So as you can see, items are numbered and numbering is based on the sequence of item in a list. This is for ordered list. So let's check out for unordered list. Let me title this first. Then unordered list. Ordered list and unordered list both are having similar syntax. So just difference is, as ordered list is OL, unordered list is UL. Other format is remain same. So let's check out this. So as you can observe, ordered list is numbered and unordered list is just bulleted. And one more thing, we can change its bullet type just by setting attribute here. There are three attributes: it's circle, disk, and square. So you can change as per your need. Just set this type attribute. Similarly, for ordered list, we can number our ordered list with alphabets also. For that, just type here A. So it will number our list with alphabets. Or if you want smaller letters, so just type small a. As you can see, it is numbering with smaller alphabets. And if suppose you want to number with Roman numbers, you just have to replace this with I, and here we go, it is numbering with Roman numbers. And in Roman numbers also you can number in other fashion like capital. So it is doing that also. So this is all about list in HTML. And now table. Table is consist of rows and columns, and where rows and column intersects, it makes cell, and in that cell we store our data. To create table in HTML, we use table tag. Let's check syntax for this. As we know, a table having multiple rows, and to represent row, a tr tag is used, and in a single row there is multiple data, and to hold that data we use table data, that is td tag. So this is syntax for table tag, and we can add up as many as table data we want. Similarly, we can go for rows also. As many as row we want, we can add. Let me add some numbers here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, let's check this output. So here our table is created. Okay, but you may be wondering why there is no border for table. In HTML, border is by default set to 0, so we just have to set tables border attribute as per our need. So this attribute will specify the size of the border. So I'm giving here 1. So as you can see, there is a table with a border now. So but there is some spacing with table border and table cells, so we just now remove that spacing. So for that we will set attribute called cell spacing, and we make it 0. As you can see, now there is no spacing between cells and border, but data is now get congested. To add up some space between cell of that data, will set attribute called cell padding with 5, and now there is this little bit space between data and the cell, and now our table looks pretty good. This is all about preparing a simple table in HTML, but we are not always in a need of preparing simple table. Sometimes we need to prepare table like this. As you can see, in this, cells are merged with column and rows. In HTML, there is a way to do this. So we can use row span to span the rows with cell, and we can use column span to span the columns with our cell. So let's try out practically. Suppose I want to merge my cell number 1 with 2 rows. So I will use row span attribute and set the number of rows I want to merge. Here I've set 2. Then as you can see, it merges 2 rows. It occupies 2 row space. Okay, similarly I can merge columns also by spacing column span with the number of column I want to merge. And let's check this output. As you can see here, cell number 1 is merged with 2 columns. it is occupying space of two columns, and we can also specify both on the same time. So it will be merging both two rows and two columns. As per our need, we can specify number of rows and columns. The cell will be merged with that much columns and rows. And this is all about tables and lists in HTML. And in next session I will be explaining row span and col span. Till that time, practice what we learned in this session, and please comment below your doubts, queries. And if you like my video, please click on like button and subscribe for more videos and latest updates. Thank you.